Hey everybody, it's Chris at Mannheim, New England Outdoors. I'm braving this cold New England weather to get this next episode out to you. This is just a perfect day. It is phone ringing weather. Just keep rolling, I'll edit it out after. Keep going. Yeah, hello, this is Chris. Hey, Dean Ravlin, Remarketing by GE. What's going on, buddy? Oh, no, not too much. You getting ready for some ice fishing? It's freezing over here. Yeah, no, I hear you. Yeah, no, I've been talking to April. Yeah, how many? Really? That many? 200? 200 cars in next Tuesday's sale? That's fantastic, Dean. That is awesome. We haven't had that many cars in a while from you guys. We usually got around 100. But you're talking 200 in next Tuesday's sale. That's fantastic. You know, we still got that transportation assistance on the Ford Escapes, too. So, you know, guys could get up to $100 on those Ford Escapes. You know, we're going to be doing the Big Blue Kingdom promo, too. I've got an iPod Touch I'm gonna give away after your sale Tuesday. So, this big of a sale, it ought to be a great day. Now, that's fantastic news, Dean. Really, I mean, couldn't be happier about that. We going to see you? Oh, great, you're coming in for the sale. Oh, Dean, that's fantastic. All right, hey, listen, buddy, I'll let you go. I'm a little bit cold. I'm outside now, so I'm going to head in and start getting stuff ready for GE, all right? All right, take care, buddy. Bye-bye. Did you hear that? Yeah, 200. 200 for the sale Tuesday. Man, that's awesome. We haven't had vehicles like that from GE in a while. Man, that's fantastic. Yeah, no, you know what? We might have to just cut this episode and do it another time. It's cold out here, and you know what? We got to get cranking on this GE stuff. Yeah, you know what? Let's get inside.